Today I'm going to do a really quick video on how I apply a sheet mask. My skin has been feeling really kind of not great recently. It's been purging because I've been using these new acid toners and stuff, and I've had like a lot of breakout around here. Really great, like at the beginning of lockdown, and then it's kind of gone a bit, I don't know what's going on. Quick sheet mask with you. I'm going to show you how I apply it. I'm literally going to be like barefaced, no makeup. Obviously I've got makeup on right now. But we're going to go into kind of like completely barefaced, no makeup, put the sheet mask on, and you can see my skin before and after. Q-Del mask, which is the premium repair mask, and this has literally been developed by like dermatologists for like burns and severe like inflammation and stuff in the skin. So I've got it all here. It's a bit hard to get out, obviously. Literally got nothing on my skin. So obviously never the easiest thing to do, especially without a mirror in front of me. You see these holes here, so you need to see there's a gap here so you can breathe, and then this is so you can. So I've got a fold here, kind of like a natural contour in my sheet mask, and that is it. I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes and let it do its work. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and I feel like this has been doing its job, so I'm just going to take it off and make sure that I have any excess serum, anything from the mask. I'm just going to make sure that completely sits onto my skin. There's not actually a lot of left over, so it's already gone in, which means that my skin is probably quite dehydrated and needed all that moisture because it's literally gone in. As you can see, I feel like my skin looks really nice and bright. I mean, obviously these marks aren't going to disappear overnight, but it just feels amazing. Looks quite plump, I feel. So yeah, that is it. That is this mask. Really nice. I had a pack of 5 of these. I used all of them. Really like them. But I like doing them every so often. And I was kind of doing them and then I stopped and I started using these acids, which has caused a bit of a breakout here. So yeah, really like this mask.